We got a call from some folks that lived also at Smith Mountain Lake. They had a deck across the back of their house. The deck had seen better days. It was ready to fall off the house, and their idea was that in place of the deck, that they would have two sunrooms, one on each end of the house with a deck in between. And so this is what the project looked like after we got done. We've got the sunroom on the left here is an extension of the kitchen. The sunroom on the right is a sitting area off the master bedroom. A lot of glass. This particular project was a bit of an engineering challenge in that the ridge beam sat right above this window, and obviously that is not a bearing window. So we had to create beams coming up the angle of the roof on both sides, supported by these columns to carry the weight of that ridge beam on both sides. Of course, we had the open deck in between, and we did the under deck waterproofing on that deck so that the space underneath this sunroom addition would be available at all times of the year. If it's raining, we still have a dry patio space underneath there. This is the view out of the sunroom, out looking over the lake, and a view of the deck and the steps leading down to the lower level.